Hey, listen, TikTok is full of self-care videos featuring all kinds of body milks, shower gels, exfoliators, creams, and everything else. Now, let me tell you, watching videos is nice. Thank you for watching this video, but taking action is even better. So let's talk about how to improve your shower routine. Hi, I'm Yurlene Martens from Beauty by Coach, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel, beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about removing your makeup. I mean, like, this is basic but essential. I mean, removing your makeup is essential but not in the shower, okay? You might think that you are going to get clean in the shower, so why not remove your makeup in the shower, right? Seriously, makeup is not easy to remove in the shower, and maybe you know this, especially if you are wearing waterproof mascara, lipstick, or even sunscreen. So this is what you want to do before jumping into your shower. Use a gentle oil cleanser to remove your eye makeup, all traces of foundation, lipstick, and everything else before going to your shower. Believe me, if you don't, you are going to still have a residue at the end of the shower. Next, something I love doing before or after the shower, depending on my product, depending on what I'm using and depending on my time, is mask. I love using face masks and feet masks. They are lovely, and you can find something that suits your specific skin type and your specific problem, okay? But take time for yourself. Use a nice rich mask. Next thing that you want to do before or after your shower, maybe before is better, is dry brush. While you're letting the mask sit for a while, well, just find a comfortable, nice spot on your couch, grab a dry body brush, and then go for a natural bristle. And then start from your ankles and work your way up with your arms. Then start at the wrist, and then you work your way up. And do this with very gentle strokes and move towards your heart, going up, without applying too much pressure. This will help you detoxify your skin by increasing your blood circulation and promoting like a better flow in your lymphatic system. And by the way, darling, you can ask someone else to brush your legs. It feels nice. Next, I love this one, brush your hair. This is so relaxing. If you plan to wash your hair, start by coming from the ends and work your way up, so you don't end up pulling your hair too much and breaking it and causing you don't want split ends or any breakage. Do this consistently for 4 to 5 minutes, and you will see that your scalp start releasing some oils, and also it becomes you feel the warmth, and it's a great massage. Okay, so just make sure that when you are done with the brushing, and I think that some people call this brushing therapy, when you are done, you need to wash your scalp very well, because you want to get rid of all the debris. By the way, if you have scalp issues, I know that hair is not my thing, but I know that there are some products that are specifically made to wash your scalp. So go for one of those products. But if you don't have anything in particular, just do the brushing therapy, and you will see you feel the oil coming out of your scalp and the warmth, and then you have a nice shower. Delicious, believe me. Okay, next we have lukewarm shower. I know, everybody I know loves a hot shower. I certainly do, because it relaxes your muscles, but your skin actually doesn't enjoy it very much. Hot water dries out your skin, and it will strip your skin from its natural oils. So, and if you are even worse, if you are in an area with hard water, not good for your skin. So whether you like it or not, the best shower temperature is lukewarm. You will need to get used to it, but I as you get used to it, it's become easier and easier, and you are going to see that your skin feels less itchy if you start using lukewarm water. I will also suggest getting a water filter. This is a game changer, believe me, okay? The filter will not only protect your skin and your hair from certain like metals, but also from hard water. And you are going to cut down on the stains that you have on your shower or in your bathroom. Okay, next thing that you need to consider when you are, like thinking about your shower routine is that you have to wash your hair before your body. I know that different people have different preferences, but shampoos and conditioners are meant, especially shampoos, are meant to absorb the dirt and the oils from your scalp. So chances are that they will also absorb whatever you are putting on your body, okay? Defeating the purpose of your bath or your shower. You don't want to do that. So, shampoo and condition your hair before moving on to your face and your body. Is that clear? Something important, when picking a shampoo, check the pH level. Your hair will have a pH level of around 3.5, while your scalp, I think it's 5.5. So you want to find hair products within that range. Many shampoos are usually between 6 and 7, which can cause dryness and dandruff. So make sure that you are going to use a shampoo that is that has a pH that is balanced. When you move to the soap, well, don't be too generous. Some soaps can also dehydrate your skin and damage your skin barrier. Honestly, the best thing that you can do, no matter what skin type you have, is go for a gentle cleanser. Of course, especially if you have sensitive skin. So go for things like organic soaps that are always, they're always a good idea. I change all the time, but right now I really like Aesop Geranium Leaf Body Cleanser. But that's just what I'm using right now. If you feel the need to exfoliate, don't do it more than 2 or 3 times a week. If you have sensitive skin, you know your skin, but I would say that no more than twice, once, and that's enough. And you can use a gentle sponge, if you are, worried about scrubbing too hard. There are, like loofahs and sponges that can become a breeding ground for bacteria in time. So make sure that you change them often. Don't leave your sponge of your loofah for 1 year in your shower. Not good. Okay, next tip is shaving. Let me tell you, too many people shave at the beginning of their shower. Is that you? This is terrible. This is terrible for your skin, and it will increase the chances of having ingrown hair and painful bumps. You want to shave after your hair has been softened with the shower and after the exfoliation. You can also get silky smooth skin after shaving if you pick the right shaving cream. I recommend something that has a lot of hydrating properties, and go for things like jojoba oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera. You want something that is very hydrating and full of calming, soothing properties. Finally, when washing your face after you have removed your makeup, think about rinsing your face with cold water. This will give you a boost in firmness, and it will close your pores, okay? I like sometimes putting my face in a bucket, seriously, in a bucket of ice with cold water for a couple of seconds. This may not work for you if you have sensitive skin, but for me it works. I love it. Go and take the quiz in the description box. You are going to find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Listen, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here with me. Talk to you soon.